Let's see how Smart Forms 365 works. Create forms just by dragging and dropping different question types required in the form. Forms are created within app itself, so there is no separate website to log in or register. App supports both online and offline workflow. Online workflow is shown with dotted lines and offline workflow is shown with solid lines. You can fill form on your own device or you can send it to other SmartForms 365 users very easily just by providing one share code. Other users fill the form on their device and send the completed form back to you. Please note, other users need internet connection only to get template and submit data. No internet connection is required while collecting the data. Users also keep copy of the submitted form on their device as well. Now you can export data collected from both from your own device as well as from other SmartForms 365 users. You can see graph report within app itself to view answer statistics. You can export data into CSV, Excel, HTML format or PDF format, or you can send it to OneNote or print it as well. You can also store this on your local PC, OneDrive, Google Drive or Dropbox. Now let's see this in action. Form owner first creates the form. Let's create a sales order form as an example. So we'll click on edit template. It includes various question type like multiple select, single select to more media rich question like images and signature. You can also embed YouTube videos within the form. To create a question, just drag and drop that question here in this area. You can also move questions up and down just by dragging and dropping. To delete a particular question, just go to that question and drop it into the bin. App also supports snap view mode as well, so you can copy the text from your Word document form and paste it here and you can see the updates happening in real time. Select this option single question mode if you want user to see only one question per screen. Once the template is created, you can complete it on your own device just by clicking on the template. Click on add record and click on record and complete this form and save. To share template with other SmartForms 365 users, just right click on the template and click sharing. You can provide this single share code to unlimited users to download this template just by clicking on share. You will see this success message that send this share code to users for downloading this template. Click on OK. You can also easily remove share just by clicking on this icon. This is particularly useful if you no longer want to accept submissions. For example, once the deadline is passed for the particular form. Please note, both form owner and form respondent uses same app, hence both user types get same functionality except form respondent can only view and export their own data while form owner can see all the data from all the respondent once submitted on the cloud. Form respondents now download the form using the share code provided by the form owner. To download template, form respondent just click on download template and enter the share code which has been provided by the form owner here, and you just click on download template. You click on save template to accept. OK, save template, and you will see this downloaded template folder automatically appears here. To complete the form, just click on the template and click on add record. Click on record, complete the form. You can also upload photo from the devices or you can use device camera as well and can do signature as well on the form. Now you can either save it on your own device or you can submit it to the form owner. You can add multiple records now just by clicking on add records. You can group records using zoom out view, pinch on touch devices or click here. Newly created records are shown under new. The records which are not submitted but saved on the user's local machine are indicated under saved folder. When a user hits submit button on the record, but if there is no Wi-Fi or internet connection, it goes in the outbox folder. Records which are successfully submitted back to the form owner are indicated under sent folder. Please note, records indicated under outbox and sent cannot be edited. To view all records, just click on all records. All records have date and time stamp on them to indicate that when they were last updated. Now if we go back on the template, so this link icon indicated that it is a downloaded template. This indicates the total number of records you have created. Number of records that have not been submitted yet are indicated here. Once form respondent submitted the form owner will see this cloud icon which indicate that new records are available to download from cloud. Just click on it and you will see this success message at the end. Click OK. To view downloaded record, just click on the template. The records which are downloaded from the cloud are indicated with a cloud icon. You can group records using zoom out view. Pinch on touch devices or click here. Records downloaded from the cloud are indicated here under downloaded, and the records which are created on the form owner's local machine are shown under new and saved. Now if we go back on the template, the cloud icon here indicates that this template has been shared. This indicates the total number of records, so there are 10 records in this template. These are the number of records which have been downloaded from the cloud today. To view individual record, just select the record and click on view records. Now you can swipe on your tablets or click here. You can also edit this record by clicking on this edit icon. You can save records now into a PDF format. Just click on print or OneNote. You can use Adobe PDF or a free PDF converter like DoPDF. Now this PDF can be printed from your local printer as well. You can also send this record to Microsoft OneNote as well. To view graph report, just right click on the template and view graph report. You can see the answer statistics for each question, and you can also sort this by data or by count or by percentage. To view daily summary report, select the template and click on daily summary. New records added on a particular date is shown in blue, and the previously created records which were updated on a particular date are shown in red. To export record, just right click on the template and click on export records. You can export to CSV, Excel format or HTML format. Downloaded indicates that this record has been downloaded from the cloud, and the saved indicates that this has been created on the local device. HTML export also includes images and signature. Please visit our support website for more information. You can also send us feedback on smartforms365@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching.